Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to solve simultaneous equation. There is two methods to solve the simultaneous equation. One is substitution method and one is elimination method. In this video we will see how to solve the two given simultaneous equation by elimination method. So type 1, when the variable with the same coefficient but opposite in sign. For example, consider these two simultaneous equation. 5x plus y is equal to 22, 2x minus y is equal to 6. So we can see here that sign are opposite, y along with their coefficient are same. So in this case we need to just add both the equations. If we add both the equations, so since they are having opposite sign and same coefficient, they will get cancel out. And 5 plus 2x is equal to 7x, and this one is equal to 28. Now the value of x is 28 by 7, so x is equal to 4. Now the value of x is 4. Now we can substitute this value in any one of the equation, either in equation 1 or 2. So we can see that substituting the value of x in equation number 1 is easy than substituting in 2. So I will choose obviously first equation. So 5 times that x is equal to 4 plus y is equal to 22. So this is 5 into 4 20 plus y is equal to 22. So value of y is equal to 22 minus 20. So y is equal to 2. Next type is when your variable having same coefficient as well as same sign. So in this case we need to subtract. So if we subtract, so the sign of all the term in the second equation gets changed. For example, this is plus 4 become minus 4. This one is a plus y become minus y, and this one is 11 become minus 11. Now if we subtracted, so this is 6x minus 4x, so it becomes 2x. Now this plus minus plus y minus y get cancelled, so our answer is 0, which is equal to 15 minus 11, which is obviously 4. So we can see 2x is equal to 4. So value of x is equal to 2. Again we will substitute this value either in equation 1 or 2, we will get the answer. Now in this case substituting either in 1 or 2 are the same, so we will choose again first one. So 6 times value of x is 2 plus y is equal to 15. Now 6 into 2 is 12 plus y, which is equal to 15. So value of y is equal to 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3. Now type 3. In this case you can see that coefficient of one of the variable are not same, but they are up. So our first job to make them equal, that is balancing the coefficient in one equation only. In this case this is different. So our first job to make the coefficient are equal. In question number 2 we can see if we multiply this by 2, so it's become 4x and this become minus 2y. Now this is plus 2y, this is minus 2y, so we can refer equation number type 1, that is we need to add the equation. So our first job to multiply this equation 2 by 2, so it become, so our first equation remain as it is, so I will write the equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 18 as it is, and question is that equation number 2 multiply by 2, so this is a 4x minus 2y which is equal to 10. Now this become equation number 3. Next we can follow method or type 1 where we need to add. So if we add, so sign will not change since we are adding. So 3 plus that 4x is 7x and plus 2y minus 2y becomes 0, and this one 18 plus 10 becomes 28. Now again 7x we can divide, x is equal to 4, substitute this value either in 1 or 2. So obviously we will use equation number 1 because in equation number 2 that minus sign may be create a problem for someone. So this is 3 times x value is 4 plus 2y is equal to 18. So 12 plus 2y is equal to 18. So 2y is equal to 18 minus 12. So y is equal to 2y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 3. Now our next type is type 4, that is balancing the coefficient in both the variable. Now in this example we can see that coefficient of first equation is 4x and 3y, and equation 2 having 5x and 2y. So none of the variable having same coefficient like in type 3. So if we multiply this equation so by 2 and this equation by 3, our job becomes easy. So equation number 1 can be multiplied with 2. So 2 into 3 becomes 6, and equation number 2 can be multiplied by 3. Now some student can see that if this first equation can multiply by 5 and second by 4, then still that coefficient become equal. Yes, obviously, but in that case we need to subtract the equations, and I think adding both the equation is more easier than subtracting the two equations. So it is easy for me to handle out the problem when we make the coefficient equal with the opposite sign. So in this case, since their sign are opposite and we need to just make the coefficient are equal. So if we multiply the first equation by 2, this become 8x plus 6y is equal to 54. This become equation number 3rd, and if you multiply this equation by 3, this is 15x minus 6y which is equal to 15. This become equation number 4. Now if we add both the equations, since we can see that coefficient of one of the variable are same and opposite sign, so let's add them. So 6y minus 6y get cancelled, and this one 8x plus 15x becomes 23x, and this one 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 1 is 6. So value of x is equal to, you can see 3 into 3 is 9 and 2 into 6, so 20. If we multiply 23 into 3, we will get 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6, 69. That is, we can divide this, so we answer get 3. Next, to find the value of y, we need again substitute this value in either equation 1 or 2. So again I think substituting in equation 1 is easier for me because it's required less calculation than equation 2, 3 or 4. So substituting x value in equation number 1, so 4 times 3 plus 3y is equal to 27. So 12 plus 3y is equal to 27. So 3y is equal to 27 minus 12, which is equal to, so 3y is equal to 27 minus 12. So it's become 7 minus 2 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1, so y is equal to 5. So our required solution is x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 5. You can write here that solution x comma y is equal to 3 comma 5. Thank you for watching.